Setting up a cable box from Xfinity is usually a quick process, but many users get confused during the first installation. Devices like the Xfinity X1 TV box, Xfinity Flex Streaming TV box, and the Xfinity Stream platform are designed to give access to live TV, on-demand content, and popular streaming apps. To start watching, the box must be connected to your TV, linked to Wi-Fi, and activated with your Xfinity account. Once everything is set up correctly, you can access DVR recordings, streaming apps, and voice-controlled features directly from your TV. Step 1. Connect the Xfinity cable box to your TV using an HDMI cable and power it on. Step 2. Make sure your home Wi-Fi network is active and selected on the cable box. Step 3. Download and open the Xfinity app on your phone. Step 4. Scan the QR code or enter the activation code shown on your TV screen. Step 5. Sign in with your Xfinity account and wait a few minutes for activation to complete.